Hey guys, welcome back to the AutoHound. Today we've got a great episode. We have a new sponsor, FITCAM X. FITCAM X is an amazing product. These are specifically designed for certain vehicles. This one is for the 2021 Toyota RAV4, which I'm installing for my wife's car shortly. In addition to that, they have Porsche, BMW, Ferrari, Maserati, Ford, you name it, they have it. So it's an actual mount that goes where your existing mount is, and it hides it so you don't see it, and it's a dash cam, and it's all inclusive of all the parts that you're going to need, everything. So let's get into the actual unboxing of this unit. Let's go. And away we go. So here is the box right underneath here. Let me get my X-Acto knife out. I will cut right here, and let's open it up. Oh, right on the top, it says get support. I like the way this is packaged, by the way. The user manual is right here along with a QR code. So for your specific vehicle, you'll just go to their website and you'll say, oh, hey, by the way, I don't know how to do this. And then you'll be able to use a QR code to go right to a YouTube video, and they'll be able to show you the full install. So you don't have to get that here, but I am going to do it on my wife's car just to show you guys what I did. Right here, it's labeled accessories and dash cam. So let's take the accessories out first. So in the accessories, oh, here it is. This is the power cord. First things first is it comes with this little USB to USB-C port for the micro SD and the regular SD. Pretty cool. Here's the full unit right here. This plugs into the car. This plugs into the camera, and this plugs in to the back cam. So there's also a back cam that comes up with this. So you've got full 360-degree protection as you're driving down the highway. This right here is the dash cam. Let's open it up. And now, take this out. This is cool. It comes with a body trim piece, which, by the way, if you don't own body trim pieces, you really should get yourself a set. They're like $12 at Amazon. I'll put them to a link below. These are the ones that I use. They're absolutely fantastic. It doesn't damage your car when you're pulling off body pieces and interior pieces and whatnot. This is for your phone. So they nice enough to actually include this in, so you would just take this, clips into here, and you can stick this right to your windshield. I like that. That's a nice touch. Over here is your backup camera and your actual power cord for the backup camera. Comes with these little clippy pieces right here in case you have to clip it on the inside, but we're not going to worry about that just yet. And then over here is your backup cam. This sticks right to your rear window, and you can adjust it fractionally. So once it's on there, it's on there. And then over here is the actual piece that we're so excited about, which is this piece right here. As you can see, this looks like exactly what's inside of my wife's car. So all I have to do is take this, slide off the old one, plug in the new one, and Bob's your uncle. So we're going to get this taken care of. By the way, look at the quality of this thing. You can see the camera's really nicely mounted here. It can hide away so you don't have any excess wires hanging around. I absolutely love this product already, and I don't even have it installed. So let's get to the install, and we'll go from there. So one of the cool thing is, I didn't notice this, but I did just now, which is nice. You can see how this piece is supposed to go around the mirror. Well, am I supposed to take my mirror out to get to the car? No, I'm not. Now, on this wonderful product, you can see there's Wi-Fi enabled, so you could actually see everything in an app. The app, by the way, is you can download it on the front page of this, and it's either iOS or it's Android. So you could actually see what's happening in your car in real time, which is great. So if you're away from your car, you could actually see what's happening. And you turn on a little cellular data and it will just send you those messages through Wi-Fi if you're connected to a Wi-Fi. Now granted, this is not going to be cellular, so it's not anywhere in the world. It's anywhere you have a Wi-Fi connection. So this is really cool. We're going to get it installed shortly and go from there. So now I bet you're thinking, well, how can I get my images off? Well, they came in right here. This is your little micro SD card. So that is in this little slot right here. You pop it out, again, pop it in this little piece right here, and you could put it right to your computer and you could download your images. Hey guys, so when I first started the video, it was back in August. And unfortunately, when I installed the first product, it didn't work. I want to just say how amazing the customer service is on behalf of FITCAM X. They sent me another unit, I installed it, and all of a sudden it didn't work again. I'm like, that can't be right. There's got to be something on user error, my end. So here it is, it's October 11th, so 2 months later. So I want to apologize to FITCAM X because quite honestly, that's not the way to treat a sponsor. I'm usually very, very good about posting stuff when somebody sends me something for free. So again, my apologies, but, huge but here, their customer service is next level. They are fantastic, they are responsive, they check in, they follow up, they do what they say they're going to do, and that's very hard to get in this world. So I really want to say thank you specifically to Rachel at FITCAM X. She's fantastic, and I just wanted to just put that out there because I think it's really important. The other thing is it's installed. Now, this right here is the old piece. This was the original manufacturer equipment, or original equipment manufacturer, OEM. And these two little pieces come apart like that, and then puts right back on. Over here, this is installed. And I want to show you how easy this is to take care of. Take this right here, pop that out. This comes out like this. This slides down here, and there you have it. These two little red tabs here, one here and one here, these come off of the OEM piece. You have to put them right here, and they clip in right here and over here. You take this, just watch how easy this is. And again, I'm pretty much an idiot when it comes to installing stuff in a car. 1, 2, 3. That's it. It's clicked in. You take the little ring, move the mirror out of the way, clip it right in, and it's done. Here's the unit right here. Can you even tell that that is a camera? Because I can't. So what I did is I ran it up inside here and all the way around through the car. And I'll just give you a basic tour of exactly what I did right now. So I brought it up over here behind this piece right here. It's actually right in this little seam, and it comes over to here. You could actually see the wire right here. And I just put it underneath the entire lip through here. I came up through this, used a little trim tool, tapped it all in right here, through the back door, and I did the same process. It comes right up here. You can actually see a very little piece of the wire right there, coming up through this, all the way through the back, and I tucked it in right behind this trim tool right in here to the back window. And look how clean this is. Now this came with about 20 feet of cable, which is more than enough. Up through in here, up here, and underneath and out to your rear dash cam. So now the cool part is this works. there's a little blue light inside here, but it doesn't shine through. So you just need to make sure you take a little safety pin and you put it up inside there just to make sure, or a paper clip, just to make sure the blue light is on. It's really simple. There's two buttons. There's an on button and an off button. Why you would turn it off, I have no idea, but it turns on automatically with the car, and you're going to see the video of that right here. It's truly amazing. You know, how they can make it look so factory and amazing is just, it's beyond me. So kudos to you guys, FITCAM X. So what I've done is I put the link below in my description as well. I highly, highly recommend this product, not only for the product itself, but for the service that you're going to get with it. So if you like this type of content, please make sure you like, you comment, and you subscribe. And remember, it's about the drive.